Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi icon gray out on iPhone solution 4. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, solution 1, enable and disable airplane mode. Open the settings apps your iPhone. On the setting page, enable airplane mode, then wait for few seconds and disable it. Solution 2, reset all settings. Open the settings apps your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, type transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset all settings. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution 3, reboot your iPhone. Open the settings apps your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, type shutdown. Now slider to power off and turn off your device, then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Solution for reset network settings. Open the settings apps on iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, tap on general. Open the general page, scroll down, tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset network settings. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset network settings in the pop-up window. Confirm this process. After doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share. Thank you.